everyone, welcome back to my channel. So most of the makeup I'm going to be using today is from Miss A. As you guys can see, the package in my hand is very cheap, it's very affordable. So let's get into this makeup tutorial. So first we're gonna start off on the eyebrow. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my eyebrow before I start it. You always gotta brush your eyebrow, girls. You gotta brush the eyebrows. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna go back in again and fill it in more. And I did my other eyebrow. Now I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrow. Concealer I'm gonna be using is the E.l.F Pro Concealer. I'm gonna be using Cool Tan and Femme. So I already went ahead and I did my other eyebrow off camera, and I also concealed my eyelid. I'm just gonna use my setting powder to set my concealer. This is the setting powder that I got. I also got this from Shop Miss A, and I got it in the banana. The eyeshadow I'm using today is from Shop Miss A and Dollarama. So I'm gonna be using this from Dollarama. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then this one is from Shop Miss A. I don't know which look I'm going for right now, but we're gonna play in it. This is how the eyeshadow looks. I haven't used them yet. It's my first time. I'm gonna take this orange color. Take this eyeshadow right here and put it on my lid. I'm gonna use this one, so I will use these two. So I'm gonna use these two. Go back in with this orange color again. Just try to make everything look right. Blend it in. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my mascara on, and I also got this mascara from the dollar store. And the eyeliner that I'm gonna be using today too, I got this from Miss A. and do this other eye and put on my eyelash. So the eyelash I'm gonna be wearing today is another cheap brand, but I forgot where I got it from. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And before I do my face, I'm just gonna take some milk magnesia and just put it on my T-zone because my skin is so oily, and this thing really works. Powder and just take my brush, because I don't have a powder that goes with my face, and just kind of dab it on my face a little bit so it won't be so white. So I'm just gonna set my whole face with it now. A little bit more of the powder. Just put a little bit here. And with my eyeshadow powder, the same eyeshadow powder I use on my eyes. Now for my brow highlight, I'm just gonna take this shimmer color right here. I like. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and just blend it out so that it won't look so harsh. Now for blush, I'm gonna be using this blush powder I got from the dollar store. Everything is looking. Ooh, yes, girl. Ooh, you slid this look. For my lip, I'm just gonna use the same eyebrow pencil and line my lip. Matte lip cream from Miss A, and then I also got this one from Sephora, I think for $10. And use my Morphe setting spray. I cannot find no other cheap setting spray. I'm just gonna use this one and set my whole face. After I finish doing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and take out my hair tie and fix my hair. I will be right back. This is the finished look. I really like how my makeup came out so nice. You don't have to break the bank to look good. You can buy cheap makeup and still look good, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, before you leave this video, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, come and support your girl, because I'm going to be bringing more video for you guys. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video.